Is today the prime time to sell your GPUs and make a quick buck? GPU prices are coming down, which is great news. The used market prices are still pretty high, but they are also lowering. So couldn't you sell now, buy later at a lower price and make some money? I think this is a great way to make a quick buck. Why? Here is a quick explanation. Crypto miners are using GPUs for mining to create cryptocurrencies. This makes them money so they can pay their bills or whatever. Miners bought up cards for mining, rising the demand, but since stock was limited, the prices also raised a lot, to almost double the prices of what they used to be. Manufacturers don't want to up their production that much, so there won't be a huge market crash after mining becomes unprofitable. This happened previously to AMD, which lost a lot of sales because the used market prices of their GPUs were so cheap after the mining craze ended back in the days of Bitcoin. AMD and Nvidia don't want this to happen again, so the production won't increase that much. Only thing we have to do to wait for the price to drop is to wait. MSI and Gigabyte are already expecting a 40% drop in sales, so this is a good thing for the consumer. If cards will be unprofitable, it means they will make less money than they cost in electricity. So for example, in the Netherlands, cards like the 1060 aren't even profitable anymore. The power cost here is ridiculously high, with 23 euro cents per kilowatt hour, which is a lot. The used market will fall out with cards like the 1060 if it becomes unprofitable in more countries, which is pretty great. Myself, I expect the 1060 to drop between $200 and $250, which actually was the original MSRP. And maybe it will drop even lower, but that will take some more time. Why I think mining will be less profitable soon? Here are a few reasons. If more people mine, that means the difficulty will go up. This is already happening, so people will earn less money per card per day. Also, ASICs are coming out. I'm not going to explain them in detail, but this is basically a mining machine which is way better than a GPU. This will also raise the difficulty a lot. Cards like the RX 470 and 480 are already less profitable than the RX 570 and 580. So if you can, I recommend selling your 400 series card and maybe buy for the same price a 500 series card. Would be a good investment, right? This only works if you have a backup card. Myself, I had the 550 Ti laying around. And I'm also going to make a scam video on how to get a 550 Ti for free, so stay tuned for that. Myself, I really think this is going to happen. So I sold my GTX 1060 6GB for 350 euros, which was on the high side. Now I'm waiting for the prices to drop and buy them back for $200 to $250 or euros to make a quick buck. How much I'll profit, I have no clue. But let's hope it's something nice. So are you going to sell your GPU? Let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.